We did it! It's back! We're going! We can't wait! We're so excited!
And we are off! Dinner 9-1.
Giant beef on the road.
Night number 1 at the hotel. It's perfect. Eleanor, do you prefer a camp and a tent? Or do you prefer a hotel?
I prefer the hotel.
Hi, Eleanor. Hey, sweetie. How are you? About 3 hours into leaving the hotel this morning. We got another 3 hours left to go.
Hello! Eleanor and I are just chilling on the beach. And Greg and you went to camera. Greg and Gwen, or Elsa as she wants to be called at the moment, is on the water horse, paddleboard, and they're exploring Lake Meredith.
This moment right here is where a gentleman came up to me and told me a windstorm was headed in our direction. Mika was currently out on the paddleboard, and this is kind of where things got really scary really fast. Hop to the end of the video to get a better understanding of exactly what happened.
Good night.
Somebody would like to say good morning. Can you say good morning? The sun is almost on the truck, so we're waiting for that to hit the truck so we can get out.
It's 12:30 and I haven't had coffee yet or eaten. I'm dying. We're almost there. Does anyone else hear our exhaust manifold? It's so freaking loud. We should have gone and fixed it up on the trip. It's honestly absurd. It sounds like a machine gun is firing in the car as we drive.
Give me a smile. Bathroom selfies.
Our next stop is going to be Cadillac Ranch. It's a, well, apparently a tourist destination, which is fine. It's a whole bunch of Cadillacs in the ground, sticking straight up. We're at Home Depot right now, picking up some spray paint. Should be a quick stop, and from there we're gonna go hit the Honey Mart.
Guys, we just were at Home Depot and I thought we needed a little green in the truck. So I got us a cute little succulent. There he is. Or she. Or whatever. What are you gonna name them?
Stalactites, stalagmites of paint.
Here's Gwen making her mark at Cadillac Ranch. Whoa. Here's a Cadillac Ranch. Getting
Big
fancy.
Down here, ready? Check this out. What do you think this is gonna be? Oh, excursion.
The excursioners!
We made it to the honey farm. We're gonna get some honey. Look at all the honey.
Keep pulling. Pull it
Both
down
hands,
hard.
honey. Both hands.
Oh, there you go.
We got 8 honey sticks, 1 free jar of honey. Very, very nice lady here at Creek House Honey Farm. Gwen was able to label it and do all the work herself. And then we got 4 meads to drink when we got to the campsite here in a little bit. So off we go. We made it to Palo Duro State Park in here in Texas, in the Panhandle.
Hi. Ooh, Daddy, your knee's really close to cactus. Ah. Hi, everybody. So it's day 3, and we are at Palo Duro State Park in Texas. Apparently, this is the Grand Canyon of Texas, and we are on a nice, just mellow 2-mile hike before we go and set up camp and start dinner.
Mommy said she found the water. Let's go.
Yes, sir.
One spiker. Where's your berry?
And I got 2 berries.
All right. Should we race?
Yeah.
On your marks. What?
With the head start. There they go.
Gwen off to a great start again. She's taking the lead, but she's in a slow part of the stream. Daddy's are a little bit faster. Go move to the right. Ooh, Gwen's already in the eddy here. And oh, Daddy surpasses Gwen. She's make, but can Dad's berries take the turn? Gwen is in a real slow part of the stream. Oh, and hers comes to a complete stop. Dad's also comes to a complete stop. And this might be one of the slowest berry races we've had of all day.
5, 4 feet 2.
Oh.
What are you contemplating?
Oh, where to put the light strip. So we got this new USB light. It goes so you can kind of like click a light and get exterior light on the tent. But I don't know if I can make it bend. So I don't know if I can make it bend down here or if I gotta just put it along the outside.
I think you do all around the outside.
That's what I'm thinking too.
Yeah.
Keep it simple.
Let's go see what Eleanor's doing. She's getting so strong. Hi.
Just some potato chips, homemade potato chips.
Nice. Well, what were you sipping on?
I was sipping on Meridian Hive mead, made in Austin, which is not the place we went to, which is what I thought it was. I thought it was going to be
Made from there, but it's still local.
Sun is setting behind me. It's quite beautiful.
Stove was an absolute mess. I like a clean stove. I'm cleaning the stove even though it's gonna get dirty tomorrow. He's up until 8:20. What a good girl you are. Yeah. Did you have any dreams?
I dreamed about the number 2 frozen there, and I was playing with the number 2 outside.
And what did you dream about? Just rolling over? Yeah. Hello. The sun is shining. Bless you. Bless you. And we're heading out for some breakfast. Okay. We're finally hitting the road with our feet.
I'm
Hiking.
going to the lighthouse.
It's windy, it's warming up. Takes forever to get things ready with kiddos. Everything. One of my friends once made a joke.
And we need to look for cars.
Gotta look for cars. Yeah, one of my buddies made a joke. He said, man, I never realized that everything with kids takes at least 5 times longer. And this, I don't think it's an exaggeration.
Yeah.
But we're off, we're doing it. I think it's 8 miles, here we go.
We had some very big.
Wonderful jump, Mommy.
Yay! Come on, run!
I'm running, following you.
Hurry up, let's go down.
Let's go get Mommy. Nice flat hikes are enjoyable.
Hold my hand because you hold my hand.
We made it to the lighthouse. There it is.
Right there.
cool up here. Nice views. Beautiful day.
Woo! We're back. It was a long 8 miles. 4 hours and 40 minutes to be exact. And we're tired. We haven't done anything like that in a while.
Yeah, Eleanor walked at least 3 miles by herself. You crawled, you rolled the whole thing. It was amazing. Really good job. My little roller. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh. Now we're learning. We're in the middle of school sesh. We're reading some books. We're about to do some workbooks. Do some math. Eleanor's learning to read.
Gooey goo.
Nom, nom. We love
oranges.
I feel like I gotta get.
Good morning.
Oh, good morning.
Good morning, apple eater. Good morning, Eleanor. There's a big smile. We're packing up camp. Gonna go check out Rock Garden, then go back into Canyon and go to the popcorn shop. What are we hiking?
It's something to believe.
Well, that's pretty cool.
And we're hitting the road to our next destination, which is Louisiana. See you later, Texas.
9-hour drive to Louisiana. Yep. Well, we were about to leave and blow out.
And naked.
We had a fun, no we didn't, it was not fun. I'll let Micah tell what happened.
It was a little bit of a freak accident, sort of. I got out on the paddleboard, no wind, it was perfect. I was gonna paddle out to the point, and all of a sudden this windstorm blew in, and I got blown off into the shore. And then the wind never died, so I got stuck there for 2.5 hours.
Yeah.
And had to be rescued.
So I had to like throw everything, pack the truck up real quickly. Couldn't have service, so like I started to get real scared. I couldn't see where Micah was. And she didn't have the leash with her on the paddleboard, which was our mistake. We were just putzing around and kind of for a little bit on it.
I did have my life jacket, so that was good.
But so I had to throw the kids in the car, put the tent down. I mean, everything was set up. I had to drive up the street to service, call 911. They sent down. Eventually, it took them like 30 minutes, and during that time, I was kind of freaking out. They eventually sent down some people and with a powerful pair of binoculars, and we were able to find where Micah was, and then we were able to go get her. So, super scary.
Super scary. Never been in a situation like that, but man, all those things just go through your head of,
Oh god. Yeah.
well, more of like safety. What do? I knew I had 2 hours until, so it wasn't out 2.5. I think it was out 2, because I knew there's 2 hours until sunset. We had looked to like.
But the wind was like kicking. Like we didn't see the storm, so like we were camped out, kind of like under this. Let's say it was like a canyon, or not a canyon, but like there was a big wall, probably like a 50-foot cliff, and the storm was coming from the west, and that's where the cliff was. So we couldn't see it. So like Micah hopped on the paddleboard. It was beautiful out, and then like within 10 minutes, everything changed in like this smoky storm. There's a whole bunch of wildfires. It kind of looked like the apocalypse was happening.
Yeah, smoke from Oklahoma. There was a fire, and I mean, it instantaneously made my eyes water, and I couldn't like find protection because I wanted to stay up and be seen. And then I was like trying to stay on this rock to be really tall, and I was like getting blown off that. It was crazy. I mean, the wind was so strong, so I just...
Yeah, and you know, for me, I was just thinking like all the worst things possible. I was like, okay, she didn't have the leash, the paddleboard flips, it blows away because it's a 15-foot paddleboard with a 110-pound, you know, person. It's hard to control that size paddleboard. And then the water is probably 45, it's freezing, the water. So obviously the worst things are running through my mind, and I'm kind of freaking out. And well, not freaking out, I'm trying to stay calm. The kids are crying and trying to just communicate with the authorities and get search party going. And it's scary.
It was scary, but we're safe.
So yeah, we're okay. We were still camping tonight. We contemplated relaxing in a hotel, but we don't know where a hotel is around here, so we just made some dinner.
Greg made a nice dinner for us in the strong wind, and
we ate in the tent.
and we're one happy family.